Are renovation loans difficult?
Are renovation loans difficult? Most lenders in the United States do not do renovation loans. I'm going to tell you a big reason why. Because contractors are super difficult to work with. This is the truth. If you're a contractor, don't take it as an insult. Take it as an opportunity to be different than everybody else. Most contractors don't return phone calls quickly. They don't provide all the paperwork we ask them for. They become upset when we ask them for their licenses, their insurance, references, things like that. God forbid we'd actually want to make sure you know how to do your job, okay? Any contractor out there watching, if you have your stuff together, okay, you have your stuff together, you return phone calls, you're organized, you don't have judgments against you, you're not being sued, there's not 7 lawsuits pending against you for work that you went out and didn't complete. That's the reason renovation loans are difficult. If you're watching this and you want to get a renovation loan, if you have a good contractor or you know good businesses that do good business, it's the easiest loan in the world. But if you don't know anybody and you got to throw stuff together with people who you don't know, who you don't trust or whatever, they're very difficult to do. So overall, Jasmine, renovation loans, they're not hard. It's the people you're working with you got to be very careful with, you got to watch out for.